Understanding Chop Finely, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase used in cooking, chop finely. Whether you're a fan of cooking shows or just love to cook, understanding this term is essential. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to chop finely in the kitchen. First, let's look at the phrase itself. It consists of two words, chop and finely. Chop is a verb that means to cut something into pieces with repeated sharp blows using a knife. The word finely is an adverb that modifies how the chopping is done, indicating that the pieces should be very small and uniform in size. Why do recipes often ask us to chop ingredients finely? The size of the ingredients affects both the texture and flavor of a dish. Finely chopped ingredients blend more seamlessly into dishes, distribute flavors more evenly, and cook faster. This is especially important in recipes like sauces, soups, or stuffing, where you want a smooth texture and well-integrated flavors. Now, let's talk about the practical aspect. To chop finely. 1. Use a sharp knife. A dull knife can make this task difficult and dangerous. 2. Cut the ingredient into slices, then into strips. 3. Gather the strips and slice them perpendicular to the initial cuts. 4. Keep your fingers curled inwards to avoid cutting them. 5. Practice makes perfect. The more you chop, the better and faster you'll get at it. It's also helpful to see this in action. In cooking shows, you'll often see chefs chopping herbs like parsley or cilantro finely to sprinkle over dishes. Vegetables like onions or garlic are often chopped finely to form the base of a sauce or soup, where you want their flavor but not large chunks. And that's it. Now you know what it means to chop finely in cooking. It's a simple yet important technique that can make a big difference in your culinary adventures. Happy cooking, and I hope this video has been helpful in your English language learning journey. See you next time.